Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just filming this Miss Honey inspired hair and makeup tutorial. It's inspired by Miss Honey from the movie Matilda, if you guys have ever seen that. It's one of my favorite childhood movies. I think it's so cute. But this is kind of the look I'm going for if you don't know who Miss Honey is, but it's just a cute look anyways. So if you guys are just curious in the makeup and want to see how I got it, then just go ahead and keep watching. Alrighty, so let's get into the video. For accessories, all I did was like some cute little tiny hoops, and then I have this tiny little golden pendant thing. It's kind of inspired by this outfit loosely. I kind of mashed everything together since I don't really have anything that looks exactly like her outfits, and I didn't feel like going shopping for a whole video. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. There's really nothing complicated about her hair. It's very easy. The way I'm gonna do it is I just did a side part, and I'm gonna keep this part as slick as I can. I went and took my blow dryer and like flattened all my flyaways, and then I'm just gonna take some hairspray and make sure those stay down because she does have a very like smooth, sleek hair. And then I'm just gonna take hot rollers. My hair's getting long, guys. It's exciting. But I'm gonna take some hot rollers like so. And instead of rolling them under like that, or like, you know, how you would roll them towards your face, I'm gonna roll them up to get the flip, because when they fall down, they'll sit like that, which will give you the flip that she has in the movie. So yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward through that part and like time lapse it and listen to some fun music. Okay, that officially took forever and my arms are exhausted, but I rolled all of the curlers up towards the top of my head. So now I'm going to start on makeup. We're going to start with foundation. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Me Cushion Foundation. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Neutral Light. Alright, so concealer's done. Now I'm going to go in and fill in my brows quickly. I'll probably fast forward through that part. Okay, brows done. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face. I'm going to use, let's see, the Anastasia contour palette and the dark shade just to contour. And then I'm going to go in and set that with my Too Faced bronzer. I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to use the shade On the Mauve, so clever, from bareMinerals. And I'm gonna add a few fake freckles. Use my code FRECK if you guys want a discount on this product. I highly recommend. I'm sure you guys are probably tired of me recommending it by now, but oh well. I love it. Okay, so face is done, looking nice and fresh. Now we're gonna move on to eyes. I'm gonna be using my Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm gonna be using all of like the light neutral shades. She has such a natural look. This is gonna be a very basic tutorial. So I'm gonna go in with the crease first and use the darkest brown from that. So, and then I'm going to take the dark color and put it under my eye. And then I'm just going to very, very lightly tap into this maroon color, like one tap, and just deepen the crease ever so slightly. Like so. Now for the fun part. I wouldn't say that Miss Honey has a cut crease, but she has it's like this eyeshadow look. I'm pretty sure it was like just the ideal look of the 90s, I would say. But it's definitely like a very bright lid and a dark crease. That's what we're going to be trying to achieve. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild palette. I'm going to use this cream color because it's honestly one of the most pigmented whites I have, surprisingly. I've decided that's not white enough. So I'm gonna take my Carli Bybel palette and I'm gonna use this white highlighter shade to put on top of that. Okay, now that's plenty white, but that, as you can see, had a lot of flyaway, so I'm just gonna go and reblend that line. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my waterline with this bareMinerals brown shade in Eternal Bronze. Now I'm gonna do my winged liner. She does in fact have a winged eyeliner, but it's not like a dramatic cat eye. It's one of those like little short, I call it kitten eyeliner. I don't know where I got that from, probably like Lisa Eldridge or something, but about like that. Just gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. Now I'm just gonna do mascara. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do lip liner because that's where we're at now. And I'm just gonna use this one in the shade Cabaret. It's a pretty dark red, but I'm just gonna use it really lightly. I honestly don't know if that was in frame. Sorry if it wasn't. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a very pretty nude. And she's got some very glossy lips, so I'm gonna go in with this light shiny lip gloss in the shade Blushing Belgraves from Rimmel. So makeup is done. A little bit more glam than I was anticipating. I think it's the mascara. but I don't mind. So now I'm just gonna take these out and start on the hair because they've cooled down. Okay, so here's the hair taken out of the rollers. So as you can see, it's very curly, but not up top, which is exactly what we were going for. Now I'm gonna take, oh goodness, my lips are so sticky. I'm gonna take a round brush that's covered in hair and just start working the curls to flip them out. And there you guys have it, Miss Honey inspired makeup tutorial. I think it turned out pretty cute, feeling pretty Miss Honey. Oh, I gotta add the final touch. Excuse my ring light. But anyways, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video, oh dear, a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.